This is BMW. This thing is clean. Oh, I think it's bagged. What have we done to the car? We changed the suspension, so now it feels a little more smoother. We're gonna change the water pump next, and then just install the headers and tune it. Listening to podcasts on the way to work. Something about listening to people talk, I like it a lot. I'm gonna be walking around with a GoPro at work. Let's see what they say. Oh my god, bro. Street is closed. I think they crashed over there or something. It's crazy. G35. Parked right next to me. You'll probably be sliding that thing because that thing beat up. I'll be sliding my car too sometimes. It's crazy to think how that would have been my first car. It was between a G35, a BMW, I forgot what series, or a 370C. But I ended up going with a Mustang. Everybody at work calls me Pony Boy. Hey, perrin.
Yo, boy, you really brought that shit?
Yeah.
You did sure was.
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, since I woke up, bro.
Oh yeah?
Just
for the day in life?
Yeah, but not all the way, cause like, you know. So Harley. What's up? So basically, this is where I work. I'm supposed to have these two. My job. Look at the type of things that come in here. So Mustang Celine, and it's manual too. Look at this thing. It's here for service, but Jesus Christ. Oh man. Celine. I just don't like that it's a convertible, but other than that, it's actually pretty cool. The clutch feels like mine, surprisingly. Perks of working at Ford. Oh my god. Nice. Guess how many miles this thing has. This thing is nice. This thing only has 8,000 miles. I don't know if you can see. 8,000 miles. It's a 26. It's 8,000 miles and it's a 2006. This thing sounds clean. You guys. So basically, once it hits around 5:13, everybody's leaving. I don't want to show much because I don't want to get in trouble, but yeah. Out, brodies. Like the best part of my day, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Alright, bro. It's literally the best part of my day, just driving my car home. The only bad thing about today is that on the way home, there's always fucking traffic. That's all it is. Alright, cold start, cold start, cold start. I need headers. But yeah, guys, I couldn't really film much, you know, just because I didn't want to get in trouble. And there's regulations there that you can't really be filming things like that, just for the privacy of the customer and all that, you know. But yeah, majority of the time I do get to work on Mustangs. I get to drive them, all that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Basically, it was just a little day in the life POV. Next video for sure, I am going to be racing the car, get better content, and still get POV shots as well. I'm gonna be using all my 3 cameras. Other than that, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. Till next time.